There's a truck from the Case F Hot Wheels Monster Jam series number 7 out of 15 in the Epic editions, and we get a 2018 new look of Jester. On the back of the box, it comes with the recrushable car. The trucks on the back are Wonder Woman in Epic Editions, Dragon and Chromo Frost, Jester Epic Editions, Max D Epic Edition, Zombie Hunter, Chromo Frost, Monster Mutt, MJ Dog, Pound, Nitro Hornet, Mud, and Metal Militia tour favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox Jester. And here's the recrushable car. A different color for this car. That's about it. And here comes Jester. And whoa! So you can see that it's green instead of orange. Got the Monster Jam logo, the BKT tires. Bring it up closer, you can see. There's Jester. This was ran in 2017. And then I saw a picture where the face of the guy was a skeleton, and he also had tombstones that said RIP. So I think that was at the Monster Jam World Finals, but I could be wrong. So we keep going around. Here on the hood of the truck, it says, "Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas," and it says Monster Jam, so that's pretty cool. The opposite side has all those diamonds or cards, but maybe the diamonds. Very cool. And then on the back, I can never figure out what it says on the back. There we go. I can only make out motorsports on the back of the truck. And then there's a line that's on top of the truck that continues the whole way down to the hood. So that's pretty neat. So this one back here, the 2017 truck that was with the Stunt Ramp series, and now the 2018 one. So pretty neat. Hope you enjoyed this review.